So today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to open Excel using run command. So guys, if you want to open Excel using run command, so very easy. Start key plus R key, start plus R key, that is, and here type Excel. After click on OK, that is. So guys, this is a very easy and simple method if you want to open Excel. So firstly, start plus R key and type here Excel. After click on OK, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.